AM Loop is a handmade crochet boutique that is run by a solo maker based in the US, and she creates and sells handcrafted bags, purses, art, baby items, holiday beads, and other accessories. And when she came to me, her Shopify store did not reflect the quality of what she was selling. The store at that point in time was running on the heritage theme. It was functional, but it was forgettable. It looked like thousands of other Shopify stores. There was really no brand identity, no visual language, no emotional connection between the product and the person visiting the store. And at that point in time, someone landing on our page had no reason to feel like they were in the presence of something special. And then the store moved from this as the home page to this as the home page. So we also moved from this as the shop up to this as the shop up. So as you can notice the difference. So we also moved from this as the collection just showing nothing functional to this as the collection showing the different things, and whenever anyone clicks on it, it goes through. So with filter stripe, everything here functional and mobile responsive. So this as the story to this as our story. So the goal was simple. It was simple to say, but then it was complex to execute, and it was to make the stuff feel as premium as the product inside, and this was successfully done. So she came with a crochet shop, and then she left with a luxury brand. And the work covered everything from visual identity and brand language, technical Shopify development, mobile optimization, navigation, architecture, and making sure that the website is conversion focused and nothing here was templated. Everything was built from scratch and built to last and also built to grow.